Okay, 13th of October 2023. It's 16 past 2. We got 15 minutes till open. I'm already in the position. I'm trying to get extra 5 contracts here, MES contracts. What I'm trading these trapped buyers from yesterday. Market pushed from 60, 65, 64 till 96. And these trapped buyers are escaping. We should push lower, probably till 85. This is POC, overnight POC. Maybe even till 80. We might just come back and retest this 81. These are trapped sellers, and there will be 10, 15 points, 10, 14 points. So I'm going to pause here and see what's going to happen in the 5-10 minutes. 3 minutes till open. We didn't get that position. We were a little bit too high. So basically we are bouncing off this 96. It's exactly what I was expecting. So I'm going to close this one.
Order canceled.
I will try to ride this 6 contract somewhere to the bottom. And we'll see what we get at the open. I don't think we're just gonna go through it and continue up. I don't think that's gonna happen because of this trap buyers here. So we might add another 5 if we get somewhere here. They will decide to go and push for this overnight high and grab the stop losses over here. We'll try to add into this position and then we'll collapse. Hopefully we'll collapse. That's the plan. And if we don't, then probably the cutoff point will be somewhere here above 4,003, 4,004, 4,403, 4,000. We might add somewhere here basically. But that means that they will have to go into the zone of trap buyers, and they should get out. I mean, the first thing they should do is just to get out. So they're gonna be getting out from this position for sure. That's how market should behave. If not, we'll take that loss. But these are my odds. That's the cold calculation, pretty much, and that's how market should behave. But they need to take 96. They need to go above 4,000 to squeeze higher. They can do that, but probably most likely they're just gonna bounce off this and just drop. And if they drop, there's here we have support level. Okay, so we're pushing. I'm gonna add. So they took all the stop losses here, and now let's hope we're gonna drop. Let's hope these buyers will start to close position. $2,000 contracts on the buy side, strong delta. We'll see. Okay. Let's see. if we're gonna get what we are planning to get. So these buyers, they should start to run away. I mean, that's the first opportunity for them to get out, so they should be getting out. And it's just a question whether they will be keep bouncing and trying to push higher every single time, or they decide to pull them down. And so these buyers will follow and sell here till, like I said, probably 85. Let's see. Yeah, so they have been horribly trapped here. I mean, it pushed down. Took them by surprise. Still strong delta. But we've been 2,300, now it's 1,700. It's kind of relatively weaker than before. What I want this candle to finish somewhere here and start to drop. We did take the stop losses, so however, whoever was long could have closed into this short stop losses as well. Shorts were basically closing by buying, covering shorts. And this is huge volume here. It's a really decent volume from yesterday. But market is trying. We'll see for how long. 1,400. So we're 1,000 less on the delta. $4,400 round number. Let's see what other indices are doing. Okay, so Nasdaq is already reacting to the same place. So look, Nasdaq is reacting. He is a little bit stronger, but Nasdaq should pull market lower. Russell is completely at the bottom. I just hope that this will Nasdaq, this level on Nasdaq will be broken and will go a little bit lower. So that should pull ES as well. And should start to make some money on that. Delta is still pushing. That's not a good thing. So we end up 1,500 delta on this one. We have a little bit of absorption here. So probably these longs are getting out. We'll see how long we're gonna stay here. Ideal situation would be to break that low. Yeah, 88 or something. Okay, Nasdaq already dropped below this shelf. This is Nasdaq, already broke below that shelf. And it's heading lower. So ES should continue as well. That's good. We got some delta, minus 1,500. Come on, let's break that low. Let's break it. This ES is strong today. I can tell they want to go higher. Huge absorption here. We might get one more push to the downside. And if we don't get that push, we'll have to close this trade and wait for better opportunity. Delta is pumping up. Eight minutes, and they are holding this level. A couple of people sold here, but we got some buyers as well. This is not the best position. 97. But because we have those trapped shorts here, we get another push. What I want to do here, okay, let's just add now.
Order submitted.
If we're gonna push higher, that's pretty much the last place where I can add. But I can already tell, trading against the trend as usual. But we still have some buyers who are trapped here, so should get a push lower. And be able to get out. Because now it's about getting out. Aye.
Order submitted.
That looks really bullish. I need to get out. Now it is all about getting out. It's not about holding this position anymore. First, you have to get out to improve your situation. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Fuck. Okay, I'm not gonna
Order
allow to
filled.
destroy myself. So minus 130. This can actually continue a little bit. More think about it. I didn't expect such a big move. Back to this level. It's possible. We'll see. So we still have some trapped longs. They're kind of getting, they're feeling a little bit better. So the push is up. We're pushing it up, so. But 92, 405, 7. Well, we saved our ass. So we have been here like minus 500 or more. Okay, it's getting a little bit delta now, it's getting a bit weaker. I do not see. Okay, but we have this volume here and here. We're gonna be bouncing off this volume just above 4,000. Let's just wait and see. Trend is up, so it's they're buying it. So if I want to buy this, where would be the best place to buy? Somewhere here. If the price goes down there. So we have some buyers coming in at this level. No, now they're gonna go. I think now they're gonna go down. Okay, so let's try to sell this one more time somewhere here.
Order submitted.
On that push, we have some trapped sellers here. Sorry, trapped buyers. Whoever was buying here is a bit trapped now. The bouncing of 97. Okay, so we have this rotation. Now they are selling. So it's always going a little bit higher than you think. And lower than you think. Yeah, ideal situation would be if we drop. Yeah, so basically what we did, we pushed 06. 6 was here. Value area. Yeah. Okay. Push into this thing, man.
Order submitted.
Let's see. If we get a continuation to downside, or there was just a little pullback. but I'm not going to be adding into this position. If I go higher, Nasdaq is struggling. Okay, we have some absorption here. $47. 57. Where did we open? We opened here. That was the open. Fine. So going below the open and taking this, that will be a good short. Struggling. I'm gonna add.
Order submitted.
Let's just add into this short. It looks like these buyers, they decided to sell. The trap buyers a little bit higher. And technically speaking, we can drive this market lower. 92. We can even go to 82 POC, you know, anywhere there. It's just Delta still pushing a little bit. Delta is still pushing a little bit. Stop loss needs to be above this high. There's no other way. But I'm gonna hold this 10 because we have first sign of weakness here. I'm gonna hold this position. What I want to see to break that level. Basically, break this 92, maybe even go lower. Delta still pushing, not good. Not good. Just closed here at the top. 50. 10 more minutes. Okay, absorption. That's the problem. It's a 68%. Delta is still pushing. That's not good. ES pushing higher. They are really thinking about. So, the possible scenario, they might even push above this level at some point, and then we're gonna drop. Or they will just go lower. grab the stop losses here. Let's see. Eight more minutes. Seven more minutes. Nasdaq is holding this level. Well, let's see. A little bit of resistance there. I'm not going to be adding here. Let's just wait. There's plenty of people who were trapped yesterday. They held that. They are getting out. I mean, we can grind through this thing if they want to. We can grind. But yeah, we have some sellers here.
Order submitted.
Let's just add 2. Five more minutes.
Order submitted.
Okay. Yeah, this can end pretty bad if we don't drop. So better not to add more. It's enough. So if we want to withstand this push, potential push, we're kind of building volume here. Yeah, again, we'll try to get out. Because that's kind of a pattern here. Let's try to get out from this. Let's see what's gonna happen. And keeps pushing as well. Okay, got some sellers here. Like they might just push through this. Here we're gonna have some stops. They can push and then we drop. It's one of the possibility. I do think there will be a drop, or we're just gonna drop before, and then that means we're just gonna swipe, just gonna flash all that all that buying. We'll just flash it. Let's see. I like that. Okay, delta is finally dropping. Let's hold this now. A little bit of absorption again. Push to 50 moving average, 98. And then maybe drop lower. One minute, 25 seconds on this. They just pushed it back. But delta is kind of okay. Delta is not doing what it's supposed to do for bulls. So we have finally first signs of weakness. I'm gonna hold this. I think I will hold this. Okay, second time. A couple of 50 seconds on this candle. I hope we're not gonna take this up. We're just gonna take it down and grab that liquidity. Well, let's say till open. Open was somewhere here. So we'll have to close here. We'll bounce off that level. If we drop, we'll bounce off this level. So, okay. We could do actually, let's try to take 10.
Order submitted.
And see what we're gonna do with the rest. Let's try to take 10. Yeah. Let's see what we're gonna do with the rest. God damn it. What is happening here? Okay.
Order cancelled.
Jesus. Just got filled. We're keeping this full. It's just some crazy move. Okay, a bit of buying, but there you go. She's going. She's going. Let's take 2 here.
Order filled.
We're gonna write another 2. A disgusting push. That was fast. Let's see what we're gonna do next. Yeah. Buying back. They are buying it back. Ooh. That was a liquidity grab here. That's why we were getting out. But oh, let's see if we're gonna get another push lower. I don't think we get. I think they just wanted to grab this liquidity. This bouncing, quick bouncing here was basically lots of orders here trying to buy that, but let's just wait a little bit and see how this candle will finish. Okay. Yeah. they're buying it. There are some buyers, but that doesn't mean we're not gonna drop even lower to take them out. Got a good seller here, 100. Delta is down. Let's stay in this trade and see. It's only 2 contracts. Here's this absorption on the buy side. This is where we are getting out. But delta is 900, 1400. We can go lower. So we had a lot of buyers grab the liquidity. Basically, they were shorting it, so they closed that, just like me. But they don't need to close anymore because they already closed. So market can go down if they want to go down. 11 points already. Nice. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how far can we go on this. I mean, that's the level they got first trapped sellers here. But this is pre-market. Okay, so that's the importance of understanding why you have to stay in the position. Even, I mean, I was wrong here, close that, that's fine. But even here when this was pushing, I still kind of, you know, these buyers, they need to get out. There's no other way. Even the market was pushing higher. They're gonna get out. They will go. I mean, that, at this point, what these buyers are dreaming about, you know, if this market can come back so they can get out. But market doesn't work like this way, because now we have push to the low side, and all these buyers who bought, they have been robbed from the position. And we'll see. This is only first 5 minutes of B bracket, and if we, and this can actually continue lower. This can continue lower. Always market goes further down, further up than you think. And I'm willing to just basically hold that, because I see delta now finally is dropping, and Nasdaq is dropping as well. This is Nasdaq. That's view up on Nasdaq. We should get some kind of support. But that's the second time we're going into this view up. ES has got much longer journey to view up. It will have to drop to 91 again. So that's pretty much here. But by the time Nasdaq will break his view up, it's doing it right now, and we might get a lovely push to the bottom. I mean, I know you got some first trapped sellers here, they'll be buying it back. But this is pre-market, there's not a lot of volume here. We'll see. Nasdaq is coming back above VWAP. No, now it's dropping. Oh, that's lovely.
Order filled.
We just got filled. And this is how we made $350 today. Okay. Let's just pause because those videos are so long, so I'm gonna pause it here and we'll see. I'm just gonna wait for another trade. Okay, so let's analyze pre-market. I went short here. I was in profit, didn't close that. Added in here, we pushed, we had to close somewhere here. I added here, we closed here pretty much like minus $100. We're minus 500 up here. That's okay. Then we started to add here, here, and here. Altogether 14 MES contracts. And this is how we closed. We closed here, we closed there. We closed over here. Our shorts. The market is disrupted to the south, to the south, to downside. And we'll see. 311. So most of the time, so I was just thinking, okay, why were you entering it here? I was entering here because this is where we had the first longs trapped. But at the same thing, now when I'm thinking about it, you know, if you were buying here at 99 and the market went up to 16, you probably sold it on the way up. So only if you were buying maybe that pullback, this pullback, hoping to go much higher, then yes, you might have stayed long here. And this is why market decided to push higher. This line here at the a blue line, green line, it's value area high of yesterday's action. So they pretty much pushed to the value area high. So next time I will take in consideration that the trapped longs, they might be a little bit higher, not lower. But overall thinking was okay. We didn't go too big on the sides. We got out here, which is great. By looking the delta, we decided, okay, fine, this is still pushing. Entering up here at 9 and 405 and 404 was a good place. That was just below value area low. And we sold into 93, so it's like 10 points. That's a pretty much how I should trade. This is why I decided to trade with smaller position, because you never know how far the market will push. They could easily just turn around and go here. That's why you have to try. You try here. If it doesn't work, you close. You try a little bit higher. And eventually, look at that. It's pushing lower. So this is where we closed our 2 contracts last time. Now delta is pushing lower. We should basically try to get short again somewhere on a push. That's what we're going to do. So if market pushes back into this level,
Order submitted.
we have trapped buyers here. Right. So I push into this value should give us a decent short. I push up here. First buyers, they're gonna be like escaping. And they're gonna push this market even lower. How far can we go? We can go back into this line for 380. This is what we're bouncing here, bouncing here. We can do bounce here. We build position of this. I was just basically double bottom into this supply. Sorry, into this support. Into this demand zone. This is demand zone. And that was the supply zone. Resistance. Support. So, technically speaking, we can go down here. And if somebody is short and didn't close already, just like me, they'll be closing into this trapped shorts. Got some trapped shorts, but not a lot. This is pre-market. I'm going to switch for a second into RTH. So I want to see how RTH looks like. Sometimes, yeah, there we go. So that actually is the same place. These are trapped shorts from yesterday. So the moment we come here, 80, 81, they will try to get out. So we can expect a market to bounce off this level. So either we're gonna go up here now and we have this trapped longs and will be triggered our short, and then we can ride it to 81 or 80, and if not, then we can buy off that 80, maybe 79, because market always pushing lower than you think. It might actually push into this a previous day low. This is yesterday's low. Yesterday was Thursday and this is Wednesday low. So we could actually push down here to 77. And that's it. So that's the that's the way of looking at the market. Dollar is pushing. Nasdaq is sitting below VWAP. ES is sitting below VWAP. Value area low for today's action for this RTH is 94. 93.25 is the place where we would like to get in. If we get a push here. We might not get a push because this 20 moving average is falling here. But definitely we should follow trend. And trend now is down. And we have value area low as well here from yesterday. So yeah, there's a couple of indicators that we should bounce off this level. I would like to get short. I might even get short at 91, 92. The way I see this, okay, if somebody was long here, market dropped, they're gonna add into this long, break even somewhere here, they can get out. So yeah, 92 is 20 moving average. Some volume here. If we push to 93, I'm gonna add. We'll see how that push will look like. Yeah. First people are getting out. Almost. Come on. Touch.
Order submitted.
Okay. 91. That's all right. What am I expecting? I'm expecting this. Okay, if we go a bit higher, then I'm gonna add more. Like I said. Yeah, too late. Nice. So they did actually push into this volume, 92, and immediately sold. We got some sellers coming in, and now we can go even lower. Obviously there will be a bit of buying here, because there was a buying first, but now everybody's like, okay, we are dropping. That's a nice push, 5 points push. It looks like this candle will cancel itself. We're gonna end up somewhere here at the bottom, hopefully. Got 2 more minutes on this candle, so I'm actually going to protect that. If we push higher on the second push, then I can actually be touched. Yeah, that's what it is. That's the thing when you're actually not getting it right at the first time. I was a bit too low. 91.25 was a little bit too low, but we might get away with that because that second push wasn't. Yeah, so we had a second try, and now on 1 minute, first try, second try, and now potentially we will just break that low and accelerate to the bottom. Yeah, 50 seconds on this candle, and that would be nice if we close lower. Do I want to close a bit of it? Let me close 2.
Order filled.
It's gonna close 2. I will try to ride a free to the bottom. As I said before, down here to 81. And maybe even lower, maybe even here. Maybe even here. Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's the pattern. Try. Couldn't. Everybody gives up. These first buyers, they see this. They have stop losses below. They will be selling. Or push lower. Nasdaq is falling nicely. It's a 15-minute chart. It's already sitting at the resistance here, but this is pre-market. I want to see a drop lower. Nasdaq is weaker today than it is. Yes, a bit stronger. Let's just hold this free contracts and see how far can we go. We might just start closing one by one. Okay, this technically can push to 89, but it's 20 moving average. They might try push higher, like 91.25. This is where I am. So what do we do? Let's just put the stop loss here because we already paid ourselves for this trade. $26, $27, that's 3 more minutes. We have stop losses here. And that means that the market could... What we're gonna do, we're just gonna try to add.
Order submitted.
If we get up here, we'll add. We'll just
Order
add
submitted.
2 contracts. 2.5 minutes. We have stop losses below. Delta is kind of pushing. But that's okay. That's normal. That's normal. Let's see how far this is gonna go. 800. So it's just treating this as a first try, second try. 91. We might even go higher there and see. Volume is kind of building here, but that doesn't mean they're not gonna drop that to the bottom. Most of the time this is what happens. Delta is turning around a little bit. $1,000 delta on that, but the price is dropping. That doesn't look great. 1,100 and the price is dropping. Then we have some passive sellers absorbing this delta. This is how I see it. Russell is breaking lower, and Nasdaq is just bouncing a little bit, just like ES. 1,700 delta. The biggest was 1,305. Yeah, got 1 more minute, 30 seconds. Bear in mind we got stop losses here. So if they want to go up, Here's the liquidity to grab. That means why not just go down, grab it, and and then we can go up. Okay, 30. So let's see if they're gonna go and grab that liquidity below. Delta is kind of falling, this 20 is holding. I really think let's just start
Order
getting
submitted.
out slowly from this position, because that's going to be one contract here. You might think like, oh, it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce. Well, then it's going to bounce. At this
Order
point,
canceled.
we can't add anymore. We have to protect what we have. Let's just pay for commission. And that's it. And we're just riding it. I want to see a break of that thing. And push. Because now we're going to have longs closing. Which means that the selling will accelerate and we can push lower. That's how I see it. So if that's the intention, obviously, if we get that bottom. But that's the question. Are they gonna do this? We will push high first. Nasdaq is kind of sitting here. Nasdaq already took the bottom. So YES is not doing it. It looks bullish. Wow. So far. Do I want to close this now? It's quite bullish. Second push might take me out. Let's close this.
Order filled.
Probably wrong decision. But we are breaking the 20 moving average, I see. Also buying here, so that's okay. Okay, now they decided to drop. Once they took everybody out. Let's go. Let's put our free contracts back. Oh, let's wait till they get to that level again, which was somewhere here.
Order submitted.
Trapped longs. It's kind of getting weaker. Let's just
Order
go.
submitted.
Let's see.
Order canceled.
Put our shot back because it looks like a push to get everybody out, and we can drop right now. Bear in mind that this is still trading with the trend. Trend is down. That's what I have to think and remember all the time. Even this candle is big, doesn't mean anything. Unless we really go above this level here. We have trapped longs here. They will be getting out, so I'm gonna add one
Order
more
submitted.
here. Okay, double top. Ooh. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Okay, this is a 50 moving average. So longs are getting out. Let's see if we go lower. Was that push just to take everybody out from the short position? Sometimes they do that. You think when they drop, they don't. They push, take you out. This is probably a short closing position. There's imbalance on the buy side. Let's see. Got some absorption here on the sell side. If we stay patient, we might see this at the bottom and even lower, and then even lower. It's that move up, take everybody out, and then drop. Because now it's like, oh, who's gonna short this? We just made a huge push, and people are like, I'm not gonna short this again. This is the time when they short. Delta's dropping. Obviously, some people will go long here again because they see this volume and they're thinking, okay, let's get long again. But I don't know. There was first push, a second push, and this is failure. So I'm gonna stay in this trade, and hopefully we'll continue lower. Because they just took all the stop losses from short side. Bulls still trapped, sitting in this area. They're trapped. Obviously my position is not the best. It would be better if I was here, but it's okay. If I'm right, we'll continue lower. And then we'll break that low, and then we'll continue even lower. We might get a bounce up here and then drop again. It's possible. Or not. Just continue to the bottom. And then break this. Take everybody out. We might get a bounce from here. Shorts from here. They're going to be closing. This is 93, 85. That's like 8 points drop. Should close at least 2.
Order submitted.
Yeah, just close.
Order cancelled.
If we bounce higher, then we can add that too back. That's the pattern I have printed. It's like kind of bear flag pattern. The first leg. Second leg. So technically speaking, 71. There will be somewhere here. It's possible. If they want to go below this yesterday's low, grab everything one more time. Well, they don't need to grab everything one more time because we could even continue lower. Yeah, just stay there. I think I'm gonna protect this now. There we go. So, beautiful trap for bulls. Take out everybody who was short. Now they're ready to go lower. They're getting out here, some of them. But I think we're just gonna break. And now this should accelerate to the downside. And we can, boom, just get
Order
out one,
filled.
just in case they will just grab and go back, because that's also possible. There you go. Other traders, the other traders had the same idea as me. Bit windy today. Weather is changing in London from lovely summer into autumn weather, but it was a good summer. Okay, let's see. Delta dropping. No reason to close the trade. At least I'm just gonna hold it till here probably. Nice. So these little balls, these early balls, they closed here. Shorts closed here. I mean, bulls didn't close here, but shorts closed here. That's imbalance is basically shorts closing. Immediately dropped. Now we took out bulls, and we have a little bit of profit taking on the short side. But overall, trend is down. And we should continue down. And we should continue down. Here obviously we got some trap people from yesterday. The first trap people just got out. Here. That makes sense. That's why we got out with our position as well. We had only one contract. Last two contracts, we closed one here. We're holding the other one. $43. There's no really reason to go up after this. Rather than just unless we'll see. Okay, well, there is a bit of divergence. Price is going down. This is bullish divergence. Delta is pushing higher. So we had a little bit of absorption. That's the absorption here. Now we have a little bit of absorption here. We got some trapped buyers here at this level. Yeah, the dust is settling right now. Got some buyers coming in here. Okay. We might close this. If we get lower. Okay, I'm closing.
Order filled.
492. Decent Friday. It's actually more than that because of commission here. Commissions are calculated wrong. 520 for the day. I think because it's Friday the 13th. Just gonna call it a day. Well, that's enough for me today. We are approaching 4 p.m. and usual this is the time when I should finish trading. Thanks for watching and have a nice weekend. I will see you on Monday.